Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can share your account to other people on different platforms. First of all, you must log into your account, and at the top of the banner you can see that there is a share button. Click on the share button and this will open multiple options for you to share your account. First of all, you have WhatsApp. You then have a QR code which after clicking opens a QR code for your own profile. So as you can say, for this user there is the username and the complete URL if someone wishes to use their username, and by scanning this QR code they can visit their user profile. The other options that include for sharing are copying the URL, so you can directly copy the URL and share it with someone directly. Then you can share your profile on Facebook, on Twitter, and on LinkedIn as well. Now, what about if you want to share someone else's profile? So, for example, let's say I visit to another user's account. Okay, at the bottom of the banner, you can see there is another share button. Now, click on the share button, and the process is again similar. Thank you.